Have you ever come across a new JavaScript feature and thought, what is this all about? If you're curious about the property initializer syntax in ESNext, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into this exciting proposal and how it can change the way you write classes in JavaScript. I totally get it. New syntax proposals can be confusing, especially when documentation is scarce. You're not alone in feeling a bit lost. Many developers are eager to understand how these changes can improve their coding experience. Let's look at the specific question at hand. One user asked about the purpose of the property initializer syntax in JavaScript classes. They shared an example from an Egghead course discussing React, and they want to know how it differs from traditional method definitions. Sound familiar? Let's break it down. So what exactly is the property initializer syntax? It's a way to define class properties directly within the class body, which can make your code cleaner and more concise. This proposal aims to simplify the way we handle class properties and methods, especially in modern frameworks like React. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to effectively use this syntax in your projects. To understand the property initializer syntax, the user should first recognize that it allows for defining class properties directly within the class body. This is a more concise way to initialize properties compared to traditional methods. In the example provided, the user can see that the property bar is defined as an arrow function. This means that this will always refer to the instance of the class, regardless of how the function is called. In contrast, when using a traditional method like bar defined with the function keyword, this can change depending on how the method is called. This can lead to unexpected behavior if not handled properly. The key difference lies in how this is handled. With property initializers, this is lexically bound, while traditional methods require careful management of this context. In summary, the property initializer syntax simplifies property definitions and ensures consistent behavior of this, making it particularly useful in modern JavaScript applications, especially with frameworks like React. Fun fact, did you know that JavaScript was created in just 10 days? Imagine how far it has come since then, with proposals like this one shaping its future. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user presents an alternative approach using property initializer syntax as a shorthand for method binding in constructors. They highlight that this syntax can also be applied to variables. They compare this with traditional method binding in constructors, showing how the property initializer syntax simplifies the code. They also demonstrate how calling unbound methods can lead to undefined values. Here's the tip I promised. When using property initializers, remember to leverage arrow functions to keep the context of this intact. This can save you from many headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now have a better understanding of property initializer syntax in ESNext. Keep experimenting with these new features, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into JavaScript and beyond.